What's up everybody, Kevin here, and we are back with another episode of C# tutorial. In this video we are going to continue with array. I'm gonna show you how to store users input in your array. First I will write that and then I will explain that to you. Now let's start it. Now with this guys, this is how we store users input in our array. Now I want to explain that to you. In our first for loop, unlike the last video that I did about arrays, I wrote I here instead of convert that to int32 console.readline. Console.readline is basically you get an input from user. But instead of that, in our last video I wrote an I here. But now I wrote console.readline here to get an input from user. Every time the loop cycles, I have to give the computer another number. My first number was 3, my second number was 5, my third number was 94, 55 and 30. But if you look at your new array index, in the first cycle was 0, second cycle was 1. We put that in the order. This is for our first loop. For the second loop, exactly like the last video, we just want to write whatever we stored in our array. And there is nothing new here. This array is just for int numbers. If I start this program again, I can give the computer some other numbers. Let me start that again and I will show you that. The first number that we want to store, for example, 71. The second number, for example, 15. Third number 90, 40 and 10, and it printed in order 71, 15, 90, 40 and 10. And that's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Hope you have an awesome day and peace out.